Hello everyone and welcome. You already know cybersecurity now is one of the needed topics in the IT section. In this playlist, I will show you the tutorials for a course from NetAcad from Cisco, which is the CyberOps Associate course. In this course, you will learn the skills needed to join a Security Operations Center team or SOC team. Through this course, you will learn how to detect and respond to a security incidents. Also, you will explore the intricacies of security concepts, monitoring, host-based analysis, also network intrusion analysis, and security procedures, security policy procedures. As you see here also, this course aligns with the National Initiative for Cybersecurity Education NICE Cybersecurity Workforce Framework to support consistent language for cybersecurity education, training, and workforce development. It's necessary to know that before you start this course, you need to have a good knowledge in Linux. So if you still need to develop your skills in Linux, I recommend you to check my other playlist regarding Linux for computer science students in this YouTube channel. Also, for this course, there is a specific virtual machine provided where you will find a link for the virtual machine .ova in the description box, and you have to install Oracle VirtualBox and then follow the procedure here to get the environment ready. So the environment is provided. You should see something similar to this, and the username and password is already provided here. So the username is going to be this one, and the password is going to be this one. You don't have to change anything in them. Okay, so the environment is provided like this, and here from the applications, you can see the cyber ops, and then you will see the three main applications that are going to be used in this playlist or in this course. First, you need Python, and also you need another tool which is related to which is Wireshark to sniff packets. Okay, a good knowledge in Python is also needed. So if you still don't have a good knowledge in Python, so I recommend you to stop watching this playlist. Check my other Linux playlist and then learn more about Python. You can take my Python course also, and then you return back to start the channel, this playlist. Okay, so also if you need to have the terminal, so the terminal is going to be here, and then as you can see is here for ls, you will see the directories that are available in this virtual machine. And don't forget, this is a complete image .ova, so you don't need to install anything extra. For now, everything is provided in this virtual machine. Okay, so you can see here also through the applications. So if you would like to check the IP address, so IP A, and then you will get the IP addresses. There is the loopback, and also you have an Ethernet, where the IP address here is going to be this private IP address, and also you can check here the IP version if it's needed related to IP version 6, but for now also we don't need it. So just you have to explore this virtual machine. Okay, from the applications also you can see the internet. So you can here, for example, open Firefox, or you can also refer to this icon here. It's up to you what do you prefer. So the task here is to download the virtual machine, install VirtualBox if you don't have it yet, and then get yourself familiar with this environment. Check the skills needed for Linux. For example, create a new directory, change the permission of one of the directories. So just to be ready for next sessions. Okay, so if you are here for first time, please do not forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any question or questions, please feel free to contact me on my LinkedIn or here in the channel, in the comments, you can drop your question. I will try to answer as fast as possible. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.